Well, Attorney, one of the good things about the energy sector is that it is regulated by you guys. And we did speak to Energy Secretary Garin. She said she has been trying to secure coal because she's foreseeing, no, because of the disruption in LNG supply, that we might have to actually increase or turn back on some of the coal plants that we're trying to move away from. Do you have like some rough percentage of like how much LNG we have to be giving up in favor of returning to coal?
I don't have the exact percentages, but what I got from the secretary and her directives is for us to be able to maximize the availability of the resources, the cheaper resources, or those resources where we have abundance of. And because of this, and to have flexibility, there is the recommendation by the Department of Energy for the ERC to already declare a suspension in the wholesale electricity market. So that would mean that with the suspension, we will have a control over what plants to dispatch ahead of the others. And in terms of pricing, we will be using the administered prices. So there is some sort of a regulation of the price that will be imposed by the various generation companies.
Okay, so just to clarify, Attorney, what the ERC can do is you can actually step in and kumbaga i-disrupt yung wholesale electricity spot market or WESM, and you can actually, to a certain point, no, dictate the prices.
Yes, this is made possible with the declaration by the President of the energy emergency under EO 110. And on that basis, the Department of Energy earlier today has already recommended to the ERC for the suspension, for market suspension of the WESM. And we are acting on that recommendation
are
already.
the power generators in agreement?
Well, that is a power vested in both the DOE and the ERC. If we trace back this power, it is provided for in EPIRA that the WESM can be, that there can be a declaration of suspension based on certain grounds. And we have now the EO 110 and the recommendation of the Department of Energy, and we will have to act on the basis of this recommendation.
Kailan po, Attorney, yung effectivity ng suspension ng spot market?
It will be effective 0005 of March 26.
005.
12:05 a.m. on March 26. Tama ba?
Military
Yes,
time
yes,
po
that's
ba yan?
correct.
Okay.
Again?
Yes, that's correct.
12:05 a.m.
12:05 a.m. of March 26.
Okay. But just to clarify again, Attorney, are there any specific thresholds or triggers that would prompt you, the ERC, to intervene more aggressively?
So this is already the intervention brought about by well the foreseen constraints in fuel supply as well as possible issues in pricing. So there is this intervention we call the market suspension, and because of the suspension of the WESM, we are able to implement what the Department of Energy has devised as the guidelines for the dispatch by the system operator of the various plants. So we can, the government through the system operator can now, based on certain parameters, decide which plants to prioritize and include in the schedule of the plants that will have to operate or run.